there she is, Longo Bianco. Wow, y'all don't understand. Y'all just don't understand. I can't even, the words don't express right now how I feel, and I'm so glad that I saved seeds. Look at that. Look at all that water coming from her. And I grow her biodynamically, so she's gonna be the most nutrient-dense food on the planet for me. You know what I'm saying? So this is encouraging to me because this shit is a lot of work, and it's just gonna encourage me to get out here and grow more. Never, ever stop growing my food. And having said that, there are my beans. So now it's like 10 o'clock, 10:15 to be exact. I gotta process Longo because he's going bad, and but actually he looks good when I cut him up, but he's going bad, and so I'm going to I say I need 2.2 pounds to make my soup, and then he's going bad. He's my volunteer, so I'm going to he was the first pumpkin or whatever this is of the year, so I'm going to cut him up. All right, so I'm trying to get here. What are we doing here? Pound. Okay. I'm trying to get 2.2 pounds. Hopefully I can get that with just Longo and do something else. And then I'm sure to get the flavor profile that I had last time, which was so good. But I don't think that's going to happen. So we're gonna have to use this other one because I'm looking for 2.2 pounds. All right, so close, but no cigar. So I'm going to use this one too. And this thing is hard. Like, this is like, I believe that this is a not a hybrid, but a matter of fact. Let me be careful with these. Come over here. This is good. I think this is going to add a lot of flavor. But I believe, because this is more like a pumpkin. Okay, this thing is hard. I think I saved some seeds, but I'm definitely going to save some more. Because I believe, because this thing is the bomb. Okay? Orangey stripey is the bomb. So you know I gotta save seeds. I love me some squash. And now that I have got my hands on this, well, this would be probably good fried. But this, what do you call it? Oh, I can't wait to. Oh, it's so hard. Like, I think that would last a long time. It's already actually been lasting a long time, longer than Longo. And so yeah, and it's delicious. It's delicious. So we're going to cut that up. Hopefully that is enough. All you're going to need for this soup is your zucchini or squash, some onions, vegetable stock, cashews, and salt and pepper. It is delicious. The link to the recipe will be in the description. This has become one of my favorite soups. I mean, this just makes it all worth it. This is so good. So good. You have to make this soup. Sis, you gotta make this. Okay? You gotta make this. You wanna try my soup? I know it's gonna be plain to you. Hot water. Okay, coming right up. Okay. Oh, look at that. I know. It's delicious.
Tastes like mushrooms.
It kind of reminds you of mushrooms a little bit.
Mm-hmm. A little like a light mushroom soup.
But it also reminds you of, you made me forget what it made. Oh, potato.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Oh, it's gonna do that for you. See? soup? Yes, if you have not tried the zucchini soup, creamy zucchini soup, dairy-free, 100% vegan, and it's so good. It's ridiculously good, and it's like twice as good the second day. You know how soup is. The day after is twice as good, doubly. Oh my God. And cushaw, my green cushaw, it was a little bit over 5 pounds. Was it 5? Yeah, it was over 5 pounds. And this is how my green cushaw squash turned out. I'm going to be using this for long-term food storage, putting it in some freezer bags. But as always, thank you so much for watching. And the recipe will be linked in the description. Do not forget, if you are ready to detox, you can check out my free 3-day detox. The link will be in this description as well. You should see it pop on the screen somewhere. Thank you so much for watching, and stay raining.